You do not need to access your hosting panel to upload a TXT file to your WordPress website. And here is how to add a TXT file to your site right inside of your WordPress dashboard. The first thing is to log into your WordPress site and then come to the plugin section and click on Add New Plugin. So from here, we are going to install a directory plugin that will allow us to browse the home directory of the hosting panel right inside of WordPress. So for this, I will be installing a plugin called FileStar. Just come right here and search for FileStar. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate. And now that the plugin is successfully activated, let's come right here to File Manager. And then you can see all the files in our WordPress directory. Now, there are two ways to approach adding your Add.txt file to your WordPress website. First, you can create a TXT file on your PC and then paste in the snippet and save it, and then come here to upload the TXT file to the WordPress directory. And on the other hand, you can simply create a TXT file right inside of the directory and then paste in the snippet for your Add.txt and save right inside there. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new file here. You can see plain text, so I'll click on that. And then I'm going to change this to Add.txt. Click on Enter. And then the next thing will be to edit file. So you can see that our TXT file is blank. So the next thing would just be to paste in the snippet, the Add.txt snippet. And once that is done, I'll come to just save and close. So that way we have added our Add.txt details to our WordPress website. The process is pretty simple and straightforward. And thanks for watching the video. If it's your first time on the channel, please make sure to support me by subscribing to the channel and also share the video to your friends. Till the next one, I am Adeniyi. Thank you.